This is a 2007 Hummer H3, a vehicle with safety, comfort, and space. It features a 3.7-liter, 5-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Its top features include a moonroof, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, and a navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a CD player, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, traction control, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Not to mention that this Hummer qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.